Hi, I'm Yvonne Uy. I'm a class designer. Today, let me show you a house full of surprise, and it's so unique that I bet you ever seen. Starting from the car porch. Besides then, the car porch that only allows you to park car. We also created this beautiful pathway that leading from the small gate to the main entrance. This straight pathway actually connecting into the foyer on the ceiling part. To recreating value on the existing finishing of the house, we has actually kept the original floor and get it polished. At the foyer, matching the terrazzo floor with the red brick material and the brick block, creating the retro feel to the house. Extending the original flooring, you can see there's two different kind of floor colors on the terrazzo. A lighter shade and a darker shade. While this darker shade is also preserved and it looks like a carpeted area for the living hall. Look at this elevator platform and the lower ceiling. It created a beautiful box-up area for the extended part of the house. Perfectly hide up the existing beams, perfectly hide up the existing low beam, and recreated a new floor level extended to the car porch. Walking into this dining area, it's a double volume high ceiling here that allows more sunlight penetrates through this house compared to the rest of the terrace house, which they only have sunlight normally from the front and the back, and normally the middle area is going to be dark. But now we have sunlight from the top part, while it's shaded from the rains, and make this place is so useful. And now we come to this transformation of the kitchen, which makes the lady owner so happy with it. This kitchen is extended by 3 times of the original size, creating a dry and a wet separation area. There's a connecting bar counter for the dry kitchen, a shared fridge for the both area, and come to the cooking area, we have a very practical island which can serve as shopping or preparation area. This washing area is facing a sharing back lane with the neighborhood. So we have created a planters area to give a better scenery. And look up, there is a skylight allows more sunlight here. During the daytime, you don't have to on your lights. Walking up this staircase, you can see there is light trough here on the paneling of this dining backdrop and a matching material with this van block. And the wall with red bricks that ties back to the overall concept of the house. Now this is the most exciting part I want to show you. With this sky bridge, it's actually separate the master area and the rooms area to create more privacy. Looking down from the sky bridge is actually the courtyard area, which gives you a better connection with the house. Standing here, you can also enjoy the beautiful skylights, the shadow created, and this beautiful double volume imprint feature wall. Don't have to worry to be too hot up here because we have a huge ceiling fan hanging up there. I hope this video impressed and inspired you. Comment below and tell me if you enjoyed this video. Please like, follow and share our posts on our social media. I will show you more beautiful houses.